Wow! Look at that. I'm gonna tell on myself. Hi Beanbeauti, Bean here. How are you doing today? Thank you very much for coming and joining me, and thank you for all of those who have been subscribing lately, who have subscribed in the past, and who have subscribed this whole summer. Summer's almost over according to It's Hadrian. He said I have until September the 21st to technically reach my goal, because I said that I wanted to try to meet the goal of 1010 subscribers, 1,010 subscribers, so I have a buffer so that I can meet that by the end of the summer. And to us, the end of the summer is August, because the kids start school and everything, and sports begin and all that kind of stuff. But he said technically summer is September 21st, so I have a little bit of time before I don't meet my goal. But I am so close, and y'all have been so wonderful. I thank all of the creators who've been sharing my content, all of the creators who have been coming on my lives, all of my subscribers, all of you Beanbeauties who have also been supporting me through my illness. I greatly appreciate it, and I thank you very, very much. I'm getting better, and I'm still having a fatigue issue, but I'm much better. Probably last week, this is September the 4th, so yes, the last week in August, I was supposed to have a live with Clara from PCA, Public Shopping Addict, and for some reason we couldn't get her camera to work so that y'all could hear her or see her, so it was so disappointing. But we are going to reschedule her, and she had sent me a little goodie box, and I was going to open it on air with her and surprise her that I was going to open it, have an unboxing, but I decided to do it today. I'm going to make a video instead, because I'm not sure when she's going to come on, so I thought I'd go ahead and do an unboxing video and thank her for her kind gift, and hopefully we can get her on here very, very soon. She's been having vacations. I just cut myself. Hopefully things settle down a little bit, and we'll be able to coordinate a time, because she also works, so that means that I have to adjust my hours to help her out, so she can be on here. So we'll see. And this is how she's packed it. Woohoo! And she sort of told me what it was. Wow! Look at that! I'm gonna take this and move this big old box down here so that it's not in y'all's vision. Yay! Look at this. Okay. It has my name, Dee Dee, and let's see what she has to say. Oh, such pretty. Look at that. I just love that. I save all of my cards. Let's see. It says, Dee Dee, I hope you will enjoy this beauty on all your adventures. A little token for a wonderful person. Love, Clara. Oh, and Clara's her first name from PSA. That is so sweet. She's got beautiful writing, Clara. You have beautiful writing. Look at that. Gorgeous. Thank you. And look at that. That is just so beautiful. It's really thin, so I won't be able to stand it up on my shelves over here, but I'll set it right there so I can put it in my box. So she told me that it was a Vera Bradley, and she said, okay, I'm gonna tell on myself. She told me the pattern. I think it's a pattern that matches the backpack I opened from Cloverleaf Bags. I think it's that pattern, maybe. And she told me, she was like, I have that pattern color, and I think it'll go great with everything. And she named the pattern. I said, oh, okay, I can know what the patterns are. And if it's Vera Bradley and it's great for traveling, I'm like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna, yeah. But she offered this to me, and she said I'd like to gift this to you if you're okay with it. And I'm like, yes, I definitely will. Oh my gosh. Okay. I do have this. I love this pattern. Yes. Okay. Oh, it's my sling. It matches my sling that I have. Yes. Oh, it's still in my suitcase, because I keep it in my suitcase. This will match perfect. I have the little arm bag, that little shoulder carry, and I have the the sling that I've been using. I've bought other slings, but that one is just so comfortable. And this matches perfect. Let's see if this also goes over the handles of your suitcases. This will definitely come in handy because I like to use these to put all my clothes in, especially coming back from a trip. I put everything in the hard suitcase because it's easier just to pack in there, and we take that, and then I'll save these so that if I go shopping, I put all the clothes in here and then check these, and then put all the souvenirs in the hard case suitcase so they don't get messed up. It has lots of storage. Here's the strap. It comes with a crossbody strap, and this is really, really comfy. This is from the old Vera Bradley, because Vera Bradley has rebranded. Clara's channel, she did a whole thing on the rebranding, kind of her feelings about it. So if you want to go check her out over there, I'll link her channel for sure, and then it's one of the recent ones, so you should be able to find it easily. And then here is the one big slot here. See, they have all kinds of organization. A little one here, another one over here, another one over here, and this pattern on the inside is just gorgeous, gorgeous. Like I said, I do have some pieces. Oh, look, it has a side pocket here, so this will go great with the pieces. So it's just one side pocket here, one big pocket in here, but it has a little pocket as well in here, and another one in there. I think I should put the, yes. So this is called the Rainforest Canopy. That's what she said, the Rainforest Canopy. It's a weekender tote, and I just love the pockets. Here's a pocket in here that it's a pocket, doesn't go all the way through, and then here's another pocket over here as well too. I definitely could put a water bottle in there, and then you can put this over that. So this will be great, 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 and it'll match everything. Oh my goodness, Clara, thank you so much. And it has the crossbody, which I'm going to put this in here, and I have all my Vera Bradleys on the very bottom shelf over here where I can grab it, well, semi-easily. The theory was easily, but now everything's in front because I have way too many bags. Can you believe I said that? Yes, I have way too many bags. Thank you very, very much for this, Clara. I love it. And look, it picks up the orange in my dress. I love that. But first I want to say a proper thank you very much, Clara, for thinking about me and adding to my collection. Now I can go to my cruises and have all of the coordinating things, because we have to do that. We just have to. Thank you very much. So don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to Clara's channel, please do so, and I will link her in the description box. And get ready for when we have our reschedule. Hopefully, if by any chance that this video goes up before we reschedule it and I have it on the calendar, I will put it up here and link it in the description box. That way you know when to catch Clara's live with me, okay? I saved this till the end in case y'all didn't want to listen to it. I am qualified with YouTube now for several monetization things that they offer. Not the big one where I get revenue from the commercials and things like that y'all watch. I haven't made it there. I have to get to 1,000. I want to say 1,010 because I gain and I lose subscribers. That's why I want 1,010 before I celebrate. I qualify for the stickers where you can send through my lives, as well through my regular content, and as well as through my shorts, where you can send a tip, or it's called a super sticker, and you can send over in whatever amount that you want. You send over just a little something, and it helps my channel with whatever the channel needs, and help with my ultimate goal my ultimate goal of having, you know, just a little bit of extra income coming in, because we're trying to get ready for my husband to retire. So down underneath, next to, like, my name will probably be, let's see, you're looking at me, my name will probably be here. The bell, notification bell is over here. Hopefully you've moved it to black. And then in between there'll be a button with the heart. That's where you can send super sticker and any amount that you like. Then there should be another button over here that says join. That's the next level that I qualified for. And I qualified for it for a while back, but I had been building on it, working on it for a while in my brain as like, oh, you know, it would be fun. And I finally got the courage to go ahead and do it. I did do an announcement, and I've been, probably by this time I have done my launch party live, hopefully, fingers crossed. If not, that's to come. And you hit the join button, and when you click on that, it'll launch you to the membership section, and it tells you all the goodies that you get, what the things look like. And there's 2 tiers, one for $3.99 and one for $9.99. The first tier is the Beanbeauti fan club. Everybody becomes a fan club, and you have access to the Discord. It's a private Discord that you could only go through through becoming the membership. And then the $9.99, I'm going to have pop-up lives and kind of do some extra content over there, and just kind of build a community over there. I have a lot of things in mind, but I do want to get y'all's opinion and kind of see what you want to do. So those of y'all who decide to do the second tier, then we will talk about that. And eventually I'll have a 3rd tier, depending on how things go, with a little bit more one-on-one content. You have to download the Discord app, which is DISCORD. You can also go to discord.com. You can create a membership with the same email that you have as part of YouTube. Whatever YouTube email you have to use that email, so that they can talk to each other, and that they know that you're a member of membership through YouTube. And then that will launch you to the Discord, and you have to connect them together. If you need any help once we get into the Discord, I will put in a video in there so that it'll help you connect them. And then also too, I can try my best to help you connect them that way. So that's just a little bit about kind of the offerings that now I've qualified for with YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and avail myself. And there's no obligations. My content on YouTube is going to remain the same as far as putting content out there. My YouTube content is still free. That has not changed at all or anything. None of that has changed. This is in addition to my channel. Anyway, Beanbeauti, so if you have any questions, concerns, or comments or whatever, please leave them below. If there anything that you would like specifically to discuss more, you can reach me at beanbeautibagsit@yahoo.com, or you can reach me on Instagram at beanbeautibagsit. Alrighty, Beanbeautis, thank you so much for coming over and seeing what I had, and with the kind gift I got from Clara from PSAs. Please send her some love. And until the next time, I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.